the best Linux OS for you. So there's no single best distro. The best Linux OS depends on your needs. So here are some of the top Linux distros in 2026. First one is Ubuntu. It's best overall. It's super beginner friendly. It has a huge app support plus community, and it's stable plus long-term updates. You should prefer if you're a student or if you want to use it for daily use, and it's widely considered the most popular and balanced distro. The second we have is Linux Mint, which is best for Windows users. It looks like Windows, which is very easy switch, and it's lightweight plus smooth, and it's very stable. It's best if you're coming from Windows. And it's also known for its zero learning curve experience. Next, we have Fedora, which is best for developers. It's the latest Linux tech, and it's very secure, backed by enterprise Red Hat, which is best for coding, AI, and modern hardware. It's great for cutting edge tools and development. Or if you want to go with gaming, then you can go with Pop OS. And if you want full control, you can go with Arch Linux. And if you want the cybersecurity, you can go with Kali Linux. So there are many more. In 2026, the best Linux OS is defined by stability, performance, security, and your workflow, not the hype. So my personal recommendation or safe choice, you can start with Ubuntu, then explore others later. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.